Hi, this class is non-standard, like me. Let me tell you the 7 reasons why you should take this OST2 all-you-can-learn buffet class instead of a normal one. 1. In this class, the instructor's whole job is to answer your questions. In a normal class, the instructor spends a lot of their time just talking. Talkie. In this class, you watch the talking in cyberspace, not meat space. This leaves the instructor with way more time in order to answer your questions, work with you on labs, and just talk with you. Just like with Red Hat Linux, you're not paying for the content, you're paying for the support. And if you're the kind of student who in a normal MeatSpace class isn't exactly inclined to ask a question for whatever reason, well, there's no fear here. 2. Everyone learns at their own pace. Everyone's coming into this class with a different background. One size does not fit all. Why should everyone go through the class in lockstep? In this class, you can speed up or slow down the lectures as much as you want. 3. This class isn't just one class, it's all the classes from this particular instructor. If you finish the class early, you can move on to the next class in the learning tree. If you don't finish the class in the given time, you can still move on to the next class after class because we want you to take all the classes from OST2. Remember, you're still going to have support from the instructor after the in-person class. You'll get an instructor who'll answer up to 20 more questions after the class because that's what you're paying for. Support. It's literally like a cheat code for getting unstuck in the game of life. 4. Unlike a live lecture, here you get captions. So if English isn't your first language, it makes it that much easier to understand what the instructor just said. 5. Unlike a live lecture where the instructor might make a mistake and take a while wasting your time as they try to figure it out, here, through the magic of video editing, the mistakes are beaten out of it quickly. 6. In a normal class, you gotta wait for the instructor's permission to get up and take a break. In this class, if it's after lunch, if you're feeling sleepy, just get up, stretch your legs, have some coffee, walk around, give yourself the old, and no one's gonna bat an eye. 7. As someone who's taught a lot of live lecture classes, I really do think this hybrid format is going to lead to the best student outcomes. But if you need one more reason to take a class like this, it's this. By taking this class, you're directly supporting OST2 instructors who can then go off and make more classes on more material so you can just keep skilling up. It's win-win-win, where the other winner is everyone. So don't delay, sign up today and gorge yourself at the OST2 All You Can Learn Buffet.